leg. Now you might get a few wrinkles here and there, but I don't really think that that's going to be something that I should actually model in. I could actually texture cloth that looks like it has wrinkles and it looks really shabby and dirty. I could actually texture that. I don't necessarily need to create that geometry. Now the knee pads themselves of these boots, I do need to go ahead and create that geometry because that's definitely not going to be textured right on this model, okay? Or it won't be as convincing. So we're just going to create this piece here. So taking a look at this, we could do this a couple of different ways. We can create just a box primitive and build it that way, or if you want, you could even trace it out with a line and build it that way as well. But I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just create a box and then extrude it out from there. So let's go to our front view, and I'm going to hide the body again. So just hide selection, and let's come in here with a box, and let's just create a box that's about the height there, or about the length. And make sure you just create a box. Let's go ahead and round out these numbers. So I'm going to go to 10 on my length. Let's go to 13 on my width. And then we're also going to go to 6 on my height there. Okay. Now you'll notice that the knee pads are kind of off at an angle. So what I'm going to do is actually just model this out as if they were straight, and then I'll switch up the angle once we're finished. Now let's get the right thickness to these knee pads. That's pretty thick there. So the height that I'm looking for is probably going to be around 2. Okay. Now let's go to our front view, and let's kind of inspect our reference image here. So this part right here is going to be the flat part, and this is what's going to be facing away from the knee itself. And then we have these sides, and these are kind of off at an angle, and they're actually wrapping around the knee, so kind of hiding halfway through. If we take a look at our profile,